Okay, here's what's going on. Check it. I'm standing in the garage, so that was cold. You really can't appreciate the sound. Oh my gosh, that's very cold. Okay, I'm going to step out so you can hear this. That's the visibility. Alright, so that's Billy's house. It's a light post. Watch the snow. Hear that? Hear that wind? Alright, now watch this light post. Oh my god, that's cold. Okay, you know what? Just to prove to you that it's not a mirage, that is my garage floor. That's from snow coming in from under the garage door when it's closed. I don't know if you can hear this because it's a, flip, but just watch. Gotta love it. Mother Nature telling us to slow down and take a snow day. Okay. And the Lord. Now, look at that little thing jumping across the lawn. Yeah, okay. I don't know what that is, but... You hear that? All right, enough. Have a good night, Louisville. Bye.